Good evening, everyone. This is Kablan from Mani Krishna. Uh, it's good to meet you guys once again at the post market report. Today, Nifty opened around 17,030 to 40 levels, which is almost a 50-point gap up compared to yesterday. And immediately it rose around 20 25 points and then started to fall again and tried to consolidate in the mid session. And again, it fell down almost 150 points, and then it tried to consolidate once again at the 16,950 levels. At the end of the day, Nifty closed in a negative way, with minus 34 points downside. So when it comes to index movers inside the Nifty, sector-wise performance inside the Nifty 50, today the fintech services and the banking companies performed better compared to the other Nifty stocks, and oil and gas sector performed nominally and with break-even levels. All the other sectors, similar to yesterday, they were performing at the break-even levels. As mentioned in the sector level, we can see that all the fintech companies and oil and gas companies and bank companies were at the top um, on the upside of today. On the downside, IT companies were there. So that's how the Nifty 50 stock per individual stock performance was there. So today once again, comparing the FIA day data, we can see that today the FIA were net buyers of 1,500 crores almost, and they were almost for the first time after a long time, they were net sellers of 160 crores, almost 160 crores net sellers. Even if the FIA were the buying mode, the day is solved. It is really tricky how the market could behave. Probably there is a huge change in shift in momentum between the FIA and DAE, which we can expect in the upcoming days or probably tomorrow. When it comes to sectorial indexes, as mentioned earlier, the Nifty Bank and Financial Services were performing better compared to all the other sectors. All the other sectors, FMCG, IT, metals, and media, everyone were on the downside when it comes to the sectorial indexes. Let's check the technical analysis of Nifty, Bank Nifty, and Fin Nifty. So today we mentioned at the pre-market and yesterday's post-market, today there could be a possibility of 150-point movement, or it could be a trending day. Today there was a gap up of 50 points, and it went up till 17,050 60 levels, and then it went completely almost like 140 points on the downside, which was a completely downside market today. So today Nifty formed a very long bearish candle, and once again took support at the 16,920 levels. When it comes to day chart, Nifty is still playing around this falling wedge pattern, and it is yet to break on either side. And the final level of supports is at 16,850 and 16,750 levels. Let's check the intraday levels for tomorrow and how the Nifty performed today when it comes to intraday levels. The market gapped up to almost 50 points, and immediately it went till the critical level of 17,060 levels, and it immediately got rejected, and it achieved one 16,000 17,020 level, and 16,960 level, and finally 16,920 levels. Almost three levels were achieved on the downside as per our pre-market and yesterday's post-market reports. So when it comes to tomorrow, this particular level 16,920, which is acting as a major support for the last week low, and for the last 2 days it is acting as a support. If this particular level is broken, the market could go down till 16,850 16,800 levels, and finally at 16,750 if it's a trending market. What could be the most resisting level as of tomorrow is 17,020 levels. This would act as a resisting level for tomorrow, and in between these levels the Nifty could be very volatile, and it could be moving on sideways, or from 16,960 to 17,060 levels. The Nifty could be playing around these levels on the sideways market. If it's broken on the upside 17,050 and 17,090 100 levels, we can expect the Nifty to move till 17,125 and 150 levels for tomorrow. Since tomorrow is a monthly expiry, we can expect a very volatile movement. So keep your stop losses tight on these levels. So to reiterate the downside positions, these three levels are the downside play, and if it's trending, we can expect the market to go till 16,800 and the final support level of 16,750. On the upper side, Nifty should break around the 17,050 and 17,090 or 100 levels to go till 17,125 and 125 levels on the upper side. If it's really trending market, it could possibly go till 17,185 and 17,210 levels. These are the upper and downward probables for Nifty tomorrow. When it comes to Bank Nifty, once again Bank Nifty played a sideways market momentum. It didn't breach our pivotal point as mentioned today in the pre-market, where we mentioned 39,580 levels could be the major resistance level, and immediately there is one more resistance levels, 39,650 levels. So Bank Nifty completely played around these two pivotal levels. Hence, it was a completely sideways momentum. It is very difficult to trade in these such conditions. What we are expecting is for tomorrow, if Bank Nifty breaks 39,300 levels, we can expect the market to go second level of target to 39,200, and the next level could be 38,960 levels on the downside. The last level of defense is at 38,620 levels if it's a completely trending market. On the upper side, there are three major resistance as of tomorrow, which is nothing but the key resistance level would be 39,600. If it's opened, gapped up again, and it breaks this level, we can expect the Bank Nifty to go till 39,760, 770 levels. And the next level of target could be 39,900 levels. If it's a completely trading market, we can expect it to go till 40,080, 100 levels. This is with respect to the Bank Nifty. So the Fin Nifty, what we mentioned is this particular level 17,660 on the upper side and 17,570 on the lower side could act as a key area for support and resistance. But the Fin Nifty completely paid between these two areas, so it was a very tight market today, just like yesterday and last Friday. That's why we mentioned it is always better to go with the momentum of breaking key levels. So for tomorrow, the key level would be 17,720 levels. If it's broken above and there was a sustainability, and if it's moving upwards, we can expect the market to go to 17,780 to 800 levels on the upside as the first target. And second target would be, there is one more resistance, just a second, 17,890 levels, and finally 17,960 levels if it's a completely trending market tomorrow. If the Fin Nifty broke this particular level, 17,570 level, the first line of support could be 17,530, which is a very tight space, about 30 points. If that is broken again, we can expect it to go till 17,480 levels, and finally at the support level of 17,400. If it's a completely trending market, we can expect it to go till 17,330, 340 levels, and the final level of support is at 17,275. What we mean by final level of support is, if this particular level is broken, the downward momentum will be high, so we can go on the sell on rise method. So these three are the intraday probables for the Fin Nifty tomorrow. For more classes and training sessions and seminars regarding stock market and how to trade and everything, you guys can contact us on our contact is displayed on the description. Either you can call us or send an email to us regarding the classes, seminars or courses. We would be helping you out in those areas. I hope tomorrow would be a better day with good momentum on either it could be either ways, but we hope that it could be a good momentum. One more thing about Nifty, where I would probably suggest is, if Nifty tomorrow takes a support at 920 level and breaks this particular level. If Nifty takes a support at 920 and breaks this particular level 16960, we can expect a good momentum till 17,060 to 17,100 levels. So try to play the game accordingly. There could be multiple ways of probabilities. We should be adapting accordingly. I hope you guys have a great trading session tomorrow. Have a nice day. Bye.